So class, in the previous video we have done the sum till 13 and 14th sum you can see it is related to AQ plus BQ plus CQ identity, and that in the previous question if you see there is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3abc, and we have proved in the introduction to identity video also. So I am writing the identity here so that I can tell you how it is becoming to 3abc. Okay, if a plus b plus c, through this particular sum we are also doing 13th part also. So you can see that it is 13th from here. If a plus b plus c is 0, it means this whole part is 0. So if anything will multiply with 0, then it will complete will be 0, right? So if a plus b plus c is 0, then this total right hand side will be 0, because 0 into anything, if anything is multiplied with this 0, you will get 0. So what is left here? So it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So it proves that if a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, then a plus b plus c equal to 0, or if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc, right? So now what we have to do, we will check the value of a, b and c. If you see, a is here, b is this and c is this. We will check, are we getting a plus b plus c 0? Are we getting a plus b plus c 0? If you see, minus 12 plus 7 and plus 5. So what is 0? So what you will do here now, according to this particular relation, we will say that minus 12 cube plus 7 cube and plus 5 cube will be equal to 3 into ABC. And what is A? 12, 7 and 5. Right? So it will be 21 and it is minus 60 minus 1260. Right? Very simple. So again we will check for this one also. You can see this 28 minus 15 and minus 13. It is again 0. So what will it will be? 3 into 28 minus 15 and minus 13. So you will multiply here minus 45 and it will be minus 13 and 28. So the result will be in your hand. So this is for question number 14. Now question number 15. What is question number 15? 15 is related to give a possible expression. Give a possible expression. So what are those expressions? We will see. Okay, question number 15 is this. For length and breadth, means area of rectangle is in the form of area of rectangle. It is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So it is a quadratic polynomial, right? And for quadratic polynomial, how many solutions are possible? 2. So definitely those 2 solutions will belong to length and breadth. This is very easy part. So what we will do, we will try to find the factors. So what we will do here, we will do the, you can do middle term splitting, because we cannot use identity here in this case. So we will multiply this one, you know very well, 25 into 12, right? So it will be 300, right? So and you have to do the factor of 300 so that you can find 35. So it will be 20 and 15, right? So we will write here 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. And what is common here? 5a. So it is 5a minus 4. What is common here? 3. 5a minus 4. I think now it is very easy sum. So one bracket will represent length and the second bracket will represent breadth. In the same way you can do the second part also. Now exercise is done. Now I want to share with you some important sum. Okay, now there is one more sum, that is volume. So now it is a volume of a cuboid. So again, volume of cuboid, obviously it is related to 3 dimensions and volume is given 3x square minus 12x, right? So now you have to understand, if it is a volume it will give 3 dimensions, right? But it is in a quadratic form, so how can we get the third dimension? So first of all we will try to find the factors. So what is this one? Common, 3x, x minus 4. Now you can see there are 3 factors we are getting. One is constant, one is x, and one is this one. So this one will represent length, breadth and height. I hope this one is clear to you. These sums are very easy. Suppose I am taking this last one also, volume. It is related to 12 ky square plus 8 ky. Again we have to do factors here, but there is a k. Sometimes students gets confusion here because they think again one more variable there, but it is not a variable, it is behaving like a constant. So it is 12 k y square 8 ky minus 20k. Can we take k common here? You can see. Now I don't think there is any problem by k, because k is now out of the bracket. But yes, this k will represent one dimension here, right? So k, now this will be, can we take here 2 common? Okay, we can do factors only. 240. Okay, factor of 240, so that we can get 8. What it will be? 20 and 12, right? So it will be 20y square, 12y square, 20y minus 12y minus 20. So it is k. What is common? 4y. It is 3y plus 5 minus 3. Sorry, 4. 3y plus 5. So 4y, 3y plus 5, 4y minus 4. Sorry, 4y minus 4 and k. So this one will represent length, breadth and height. And we can take common also. If suppose we can take common 4. So 4k will be a one dimension, y minus 1 will be a one dimension, and 3y plus 5 will be the third dimension. Now we will see some extra questions, some important questions of this exercise, this chapter, you can say. Okay, this sum you can see, if you use identity a minus b whole cube, so I'm damn sure you cannot find the answers easily. It will take too much time. Maybe you will not reach to the final answer, because these type of sums have some unique technique. What is that technique? If you see, this bracket will behave a, this bracket will behave a b, a b c, a cube b cube c cube, and I have told you a plus b plus c is 0. Or okay, I am putting it because a plus b plus c already we are using. If I am saying x plus y plus z is 0, suppose it is x, y, z. So what is x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3xyz, right? 3xyz. Now, so what we have to do? We have to check the value of x plus y plus z is 0 or not. So what is x here? A square minus b square. So a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now we will see that a cancel, c cancel, b. It means we are getting 0. It means this whole value we can write it 3a square minus b square, मतलब x y z means we can write it 3xy z, right? Now in the same way we will take it x y z. Again you will see that x plus y plus z. Again you can check a plus b, b minus c, c minus a. Everything is cancelled. So again we are getting 0. So what it will be? 3x. Now x is a minus b here. In the numerator case it was a square minus b square. Okay, 3 cancel. Now can we use identity here? A plus b, a minus b. Okay. So we are using a plus b, a minus b plus c, b minus c, c plus a and c minus a. Okay. And denominator I cannot do anything in the denominator, so I am leaving it. Cancel, minus minus cancels. So what is left? A plus b, right? B plus c and c plus a. So I think now we have easily calculated this sum with the help of identity, right? So in this sum a plus b is 7, a b 12, it is given. We have to find the value of this. Okay, now you can see we can write it like this, right? B square I am taking with a square. And what is the value of AB? Okay, we can do one thing also here. If I put here, suppose plus 2AB from our side. Why I am putting here? Because we have to convert this particular expression in a plus b and ab. And you can see it is in the square form, a square plus b square. If I will get a square plus b square and plus 2ab, then I will get the a plus b whole square. And then I can put the value of a plus b here. Only 2ab is not here. So what we are doing, we are adding 2ab from our side, right? Whatever you are adding, you have to subtract also, right? So that the result will be same. So we are changing the cloth of the expression. Value is same. So what we can put here, a plus b whole square, and this will be 3ab, right? Now what is a plus b? 7. Now we can put the value of a plus b here, because we cannot put here, because it is in the a square plus b square. And what is 3 into 12? So it is 49, it is 36. So now 1 3 means 13 is the answer. Clear? So I hope this particular identity part, it's clear to you. So I have completed all the sums of exercise and identities we have discussed. So please try do more questions. If you face any doubt, so you can contact me anytime, and you can write your questions on the comments. Then definitely I will give you some solutions, right, related to those terms. Thank you.